This is how to create an account in the Security Training Center Learning Management System, or LMS. I am your host and narrator, Alex Haddix. This tutorial is designed for new students creating their first account. Existing students can simply log in. Do not create multiple accounts. This will cause confusion in the system, and you may lose access to courses you have already purchased. If your company is going to assign and pay for your training, do not create your own account. As mentioned before, this will create multiple accounts, you will not be placed in the correct management group, and you will not see the training assigned to you. First, using a web browser, navigate to the Security Training Center Learning Management System. The URL is on the screen. This is the login screen. New users must scroll down to their state and click their state map. This is an important step. If you select the wrong state, you will not see the courses designed for your state. We will use Arizona as an example. We click the Arizona state map. The Arizona LMS login page appears. Since we are creating an account for the first time, we click the New User Sign Up Here link. The user profile screen appears. The user must complete this page to create an account. All required fields are marked with an asterisk. Please pay particular attention to the following fields. Email/username. This must be a full email address. Check the address for typos. They occur more often than you might realize. Middle name. This is a required field. If you do not have a middle name, use a period in the field. Scroll down to see the remainder of the form. When the form is complete, click the Submit button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully created your account. Click the Close button. You are returned to the login screen. You should have a welcome email waiting for you at the address you used to create your account. When you are ready, use the credentials you just created to log in and buy your first course. So long for now. Enjoy your training from Security Training Center.